10 jobs that are going to disappear. Welcome to the 5 Minute Podcast, the place where we educate you in 5 minutes or less. Today's video, we're going to go over the jobs that are going to disappear in the near future. It will not be easy, but here we go, people. These jobs, they're not safe. If you're working in there right now, prepare yourself. If you're new here, please remember to subscribe and like and share that video. And we also have a podcast. Number one is truck driver. If you are in truck driving, it's not a safe industry right now due to self-driving trucks. As you can see nowadays, they're already testing it and they are really going. And remember, this is not just on truck driver. I mean, even if you drive Uber, you drive a bus, you drive taxis and everything like that, your job is not safe. I'll be looking for alternative right now. So the second industry that is going to disappear is farming. Farming right now, it seems like it's also losing people. Right now, people are losing jobs in farming because automation is already taking over. So farming is another job to be going. In the near future, there will only be a few people farming, only like maybe a few hundreds or so, especially in the first world. Third job that is going to disappear is newspapers. Printing, press, it's over for them. As you can see nowadays, they're already trying to adapt. They're trying to put everything online, but I think they adapted too late. But the newspapers industry is going to die in the near future. The fourth job to disappear is cashier. I hate to say it, but cashier is, as you can see nowadays, Walmart has plenty of self-checkout, and the jobs are going. And the jobs are disappearing. Those 15 lines, you won't see them anymore. You only see automated place where you could just check yourself out and leave. So cashiers is the next job to disappear, and this is happening quicker. And if I was a cashier, I'll be looking for alternative. This is not the best part right now, the best job to work on. Another job, fifth, that is going to disappear is travel agent. Travel agents, I don't know if people still use them, but I hardly haven't used any in a year. So travel agent, they're going to disappear soon because nowadays you could just even use Alexa or something like that to even book your own ticket. So travel agents, it's one job that is also disappearing sooner and sooner. Start looking for alternative. Another one is manufacturing. Manufacturing, people, it's going because people are just, the automation is already taking over. I mean, now the old days, they used to need like a 100 or a few people lining up on a same shift, but now it's only few of them. So manufacturing is going, and there is no one stopping it. So automation is already taking over. As you can see, any car industry nowadays, you could tell there's only few people out there working on a line. So manufacturing, start looking for new opportunity. Right now will be the best time for new opportunity. Next job in our part is bank teller. Bank tellers, I don't know. I haven't used bank teller in a while, but that job is also going to disappear soon, rather than later, because banks will see they don't need any more bank tellers. People could do their own transaction. Nowadays, you can even deposit your own check on your phone, mobile phone, or anything like that. So bank tellers, I will be looking for another opportunity somewhere else because the job is going to disappear sooner than you think. Another one is fast food worker. Fast food worker, I know this is not easy to say. A lot of people work in fast food industry, but fast food industry is going to disappear. If you work in a fast food restaurant, As you could already tell, if you ever go and walk in a McDonald's lately, you see there is a lot of self checkout too, and soon there'll be a lot of job disappearing in the fast food industry. If you're in the fast food industry, I'll be looking for alternative very, very soon. In fact, right now, you should be looking for alternative. Another job that actually I feel sorry for, it's disappearing right now, is telemarketing. Telemarketing people, yeah, the job is gone. The job is gone. Everything is it's going online, and you could tell the telemarketing is it's in the past. It's in the past. It's you could see it. You could see it. Everybody could see it. Telemarketing jobs are disappearing. It's not a matter of course. It's just a matter of it's gone. There is no need for it. There's way company could make more money not using telemarketing at all. So companies right now they are using social media to do everything. The ads is on the social media, as you can see on Facebook, Instagram, and everything like that, even on YouTube. So they're making more, they're saving more money, and they're actually working smarter. Next on our list is bookkeeping. Bookkeeping for accounting and stuff like that, it's disappearing very quickly, very, very fast. So if you are in a booking industry right now, it's not the best time. And if you're looking for a job in there, I wouldn't. I wouldn't right now. I'll be looking for something else because the booking industry, it's gone. It's disappearing. Even accounting itself, it's disappearing. So booking right now is not. Thank you for listening to 5 Minute Podcast. And if you are in this industry, start switching. And if you have family member in that industry or considering that industry, tell them to start thinking about the alternative. The future does not look bright for those industry.